everybody. What's up, my beautiful people? Yes, I know it's been a while. Oh my. Your chef has been so busy, trying to juggle kids, the house, the home, the husband, and also work. But, I have to definitely find time for my fans, okay? So, I'll be doing my favorite one pot today. Yes, and you know me as a vegetarian. I'll always show you what I do for my one pot, and all my meat lovers out there, you know yourself, you can try it with your meat, whatever type of meat of your kind that you like. Okay, so make sure you do that one pot. It's a simple pot. You come home from work or from school or anywhere, and you don't want to sit on this big pot of food. You just do my one pot. All right, it's really nice, so make sure you try it. All right, stay tuned. Bye bye. Hi guys. Yes, my favorite one pot right here. Yes, man. You know me a vegetarian, so I don't know my veggie chunks so always in there. And this is my pasta right there. Making my nice one pot. Alright, so as soon as I finish, I'm gonna let you have some. What I do, I cook the chunks. As you can see, look at the gravy right there. Yes, so I cook the chunks in seasoned flavor water. So you put in your Maggi cup, so a little bit of salt, and just to let it cook in there. So what I'll be doing after this is sauteing the vegetables that I'm gonna put with it, and then I add, if I am gonna put a little cheese or any spice or any herb, yes, just to flavor it. Alright, so you can watch me as I go about doing so. Alright, thank you, stay tuned. Okay guys, so these are the simple ingredients that I've been using to do my pasta. So right here you have the cabbage and the carrot. You have mozzarella cheese here and our Jamaican cheese. You see your chiffon, and yes, see there your all-purpose. Ketchup, coconut milk, and that's your pasta right here, cook already. Yes, with your veggie chunks, and these are the little seasoning I am using. As I said before, cooking doesn't have to be expensive. You can enjoy your meal with the simplest stuff. Okay? And as you know, for my meat lovers out there, you don't have to use cabbage and carrot. You can try your callaloo. You can try your zucchini and squash. You can try your okra and your string beans. Any vegetables of your liking, okay? To saute along with your meat. So say for instance you're going to use the pasta, right? You can use chicken breast with these. If you like seafood, you can use your shrimp, your mussel, your octopus, that what you like. You can also julienne your beef to go with that pasta right there, and also your fish, right? Do your julienne fish, yes man, to go along with it as well. You dust your fish with flour and fry them, allow it to cool, cook your pasta, put one side, and then when you're ready now, you saute your vegetables, put in your fish, put in your pasta, and then you flavor it. So basically, all my vegetarian meals on my channels doesn't mean you have to follow my vegetarian meals. If you're a meat lover, all you're gonna do is, instead of you using what I use for my vegetarian meal, you replace that with your meat and other vegetables as well, and you try what I do and you see how perfectly it works for you. Alright, so this is just a simple pasta. I call it one pot. Yeah, man, one pot. So I come home from work like now, I'm tired and I don't want to be doing anything heavy. I just a simple pasta, one pot for my daughter, my son, and my husband. And we do enjoy it. Alright, so this is just a simple meal for you to try, and you can go ahead and try it. Alright, so stay tuned. I'll show you what I do afterwards. Okay? Thank you. Bye. Okay, yes, so I am ready to saute my vegetables. Yes, and I'm sauteing it with a little bit of chiffon butter. Yes, just to add the flavor in it. Yes, just a little butter. You need all those flavors in there to combine. And you know you don't turn up the fire that much. You have it on low heat. Okay? Yes, man. I know you guys are chefs as well. So, we are not too big to learn. Every day we are learning. So, I am teaching you and you are teaching me. Okay? So, I learn from you and you learn from me. Yes, so wow. Our vegetables are catching the flavor. Yes, and you know when you saute garlic, especially an onion, wow. That unique flavor right there. It's really exquisite, you know? Yeah. So now I'm gonna add my cabbage and carrot. Yes, so you put in your cabbage. Yeah, man. You stir your cabbage. These are some creative cooking, guys. I know you have never tried these cooking. So, don't make sure you're only watching what I'm doing on my channel and only viewing what I'm doing. I want you to go home and try it as well. And tell me how it tastes, okay? Don't just leave it like that. Send in your comment and let me know how it tastes, okay? Because it's pretty good. So we all know that cabbage doesn't take any time to be sauteed, okay? It's very easy to be sauteed. As I said earlier, you know cabbage doesn't take any time to be sauteed, so you don't let it stay there and be overcooked, okay? So now we are going to add our pasta little by little, okay? Yes, we're putting in our pasta right now. Yes, this is gonna be awesome, guys. This is Miss Trudy's kitchen. Yeah, Queen Latana 101, where you learn some very creative and unusual things that you'll never dream of trying. You'll learn them on my channel. Yes, so we've added our veg mince and pasta and stir everything together. Wow, this look like some rasta pot right here. Yeah, you know, some ital food like when you go up in the mountains. Yes, man, real ital food this. Alright, so let's go ahead and add our coconut milk. Of course, you think we're not gonna add our coconut milk? Yes, we're gonna add a little coconut milk to it. Okay, so we've added our coconut milk and allow it to cook. Now we're just gonna add a little bit of ketchup. Yes, just a little. You don't want much. Yes, guys, we've added the ketchup. It's coming together real good. Really good. So you just add a little Maggi all-purpose just for flavor. And if you taste it afterwards and it doesn't have enough salt, You add a little salt to it. It's yours, you know, you're the one eating it. So you have to flavor it how you want it to taste, okay? Yes. Okay, guys, so we are on our final ingredient. This is actually ready, guys. This one pot right here is actually ready. So my last ingredient is cheese. If you cannot eat cheese or you don't want to eat cheese, you don't have to add cheese. You can just eat it as it is right now. It's pretty good. Okay? So now I'm gonna add our cheese. Oh wow. This ingredient right here, even this one pot, you can also put it in a pirate dish and sprinkle your cheese on top just like what I'm doing right there and bake it. After you bake it, you allow it to cool, and what you think it turned into? Yes, your casserole right there. Right there and then. So you see? Yes, simple things, simple ingredients give you simple meals. All right? Okay, guys, so we are finished. Look here, let me show you something. What do you see? Wow. Do you see that? All the cheese. Bring it together. Trust me. You wouldn't want this to be over, guys. When you're gonna have this meal, make sure you're not on any diet. Or if you are, this is just the meal for the day. You don't want anything else. So thank you again for joining me today, Queen Latana 101, and this is my one pot recipe that you can try. And as I said, for all my meat lovers, just replace what I use with your meat and you are good to go. Bye bye. Okay, so there you have it right there. It's a simple one pot pasta. Yes, let me come closer so you can see it. Wow, oh my God. Wouldn't you eat that right there? Yes, I'll definitely eat this. Yes, it's lovely. Okay, so what I'm gonna do for you that I always do is what? Yes, taste it for me and you to see how good it is. Oh my. Woo! Delicioso. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. It is